So, we at DreamWorks Realty have always spoken about innovation, creativity, and how to make life simple for our buyers. One such system I'm going to talk to you about today. So, we've studied the COVID 19, it's here to stay, which is a really hard fact to digest, but the property purchase process should be easier then. Whenever there's a difficulty, there has to be a easier way, or there has to be a mechanism through which comfort reaches our buyers' homes. Suppose you are in the market today, you want to purchase a 2 BHK. In general, you would have to walk outside your house, sit in your vehicle, sit in your car, your bike, etc., and go out, physically visit the project, understand details, spend some time there, meet the sales executive, meet the salesman, and then come out. Then go to another project, explore that, study it, go to a third, go to a fourth. Okay, so this is a time taking task. And in today's scenario of COVID 19, I personally would not suggest anybody to get out of their house, because precaution and safety is the best thing we can do to fight the COVID 19. Well, it is disheartening, but there has to be a solution, right? So, what we did is we did some brainstorming. Our philosophy has always been, we take your pain so you gain. So, how am I taking your pain as a property buyer in Pune? I'm going to go ahead and organize a Zoom meeting for you, in which your family members can also log in at the same time, your relatives can log in at the same time, my sales executive can log in at the same time, I will be on the call with you at the same time. Every detail about the project, the specifications, the layout, the builder's profile, the map, the floor plan, all these details come to you at hand in one Zoom meeting, which may last for a maximum of half an hour to 45 minutes, depending on the questions you have, the doubts you may have of that project. We are going to give you this comfort at your home. You don't have to step out. So this innovation we worked on, and we are looking at property buyers who need expert advice. We'll have that happen for you. So ये Zoom meeting से क्या होगा? Once these Zoom meetings are done, multiple projects we can shortlist. We can keep doing this. The service we are providing is from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. in the evening. Residential projects starting at maybe 45 lakhs to a 6 crore plus, and commercial properties starting at maybe 50 lakhs to 50 crores. Whatever you are planning to buy in the Pune real estate market can be accessed through your phone or your laptop by sitting in the comfort of your home and not worrying about COVID. जैसे आप कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट जो हमने आपको बताए आप फाइनलाइज करते हो कि यार आई like this and I really am impressed by the specifications, the details, the brand, the amenities, etc., then we talk about the pricing. Now, payments today, booking amounts today can be taken through online transfer, NEFT, all these systems are in place. बस आपकी पेन लेना हमारा काम है, आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट समझना हमारा काम है, और उसके हिसाब से टेक्नोलॉजी के यूज से वी विल मेक लाइफ सिंपल फॉर यू. हाउ डिड यू लाइक दिस आइडिया? Let me know in my WhatsApp inbox or maybe my Facebook inbox, or call me on 8411048175. My name is Uday and I'm the co-founder at DreamWorks Realty. We work really hard day in and day out to make life easy for Pune buyers. Get in touch with me and let's make things happen. Bye-bye.